Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WinZip for Windows 11, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.winzip.com and press enter. Once the WinZip homepage loads, look for the download button. Click on the download button. You will be redirected to the download page. Here, find the version compatible with Windows 11. Click on the download link for the Windows version. Your download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the WinZip installation file. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup. A user account control prompt may appear. If it does, click Yes to allow changes. The WinZip installation wizard will open. Click Install to start the installation process. You may need to accept the license agreement. Read through the agreement and select I accept. Choose the installation location or stick with the default. Click Next to continue. The installation will proceed and may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the wizard. You can now find WinZip in your Start menu. Open WinZip to begin using the application. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed WinZip for Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.